Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all must be doing well. In this video, we are going to discuss about introduction to security terms and virus. Okay, so the computer data often travels from one computer to another, leaving the safety of its protected physical surroundings. Okay, once the data is out of hand, people with bad intentions could modify or forge your data either for amusement or for their benefit. Okay, in many cases, information is so sensitive that we need to take care that only authorized parties can get that data. Okay, for this maintenance, we required some mechanism or physical device which ensures that it is safe. Such a mechanism is known as security system. Now let's discuss few of the terms which are related to the security system. The first is computer security. The generic name for the collection of tools designed to protect data or prevent hackers is known as computer security. Okay. The second is network security. It refers to the measures taken by any enterprise or organization to secure its computer network and data using both hardware as well as software systems. Network security measures are needed to protect data during their transmission. Okay. The third term is internet security. It refers to the security designed to protect systems and the activities of employees and other users while connected to the internet, web browsers, web pages, websites, and networks. It protects users and corporate assets from cybersecurity attacks and threats. Okay. Now, what is threat? Okay. A potential for violation of security which exists when there is a circumstance or capability, action, or event that could breach security or cause harm. Okay. That is a threat, that is possible danger that might exploit a vulnerability. Okay. Now the attack. Okay, an attack is an information security threat that involves an attempt to obtain, alter, destroy, remove, implant, or reveal the information without authorized access or permission. Now, what is meant by a hacker? A hacker is a person who makes use of a computer system to gain unauthorized access to another system for data, or who makes another system unavailable is known as a hacker. Okay. Now let's discuss in detail about virus. A virus is a type of code that enters the system along with any file or program and carries out malfunctions in the system. The virus affected system will be a replica of the existing program. They enter the system through any file, and while the file runs parallelly, the virus also runs in the background. There are many ways in which the virus gets into the system. Some of them are through mail attachments, or by clicking inappropriate advertisements, or by downloading any software or files from an unauthorized websites. Okay, the main objective of the viruses is that to spread them along different hosts. Okay, they steal the data and other credentials of the system. Okay, there are many even types of the viruses. First type of virus is parasitic virus. These are the most traditional and still most common type of virus. It attaches itself to the executable files and replicates when the infected program is executed by finding other executable files to infect. Okay. The second is memory resident virus. As the name suggests, it resides in the main memory as a part of the program. From that point on, the virus infects every program that it executes. Okay. The third is boot sector virus. It boots the record, the master record, and spreads when a system is booted from the disk containing the virus. Okay. Now the fourth is stealth virus. As also this name suggests, it is explicitly designed to hide itself from detection by antivirus software. The fifth is polymorphic virus, a virus that mutates with every infection, making detection by the signature of the virus impossible. Okay. The sixth is metamorphic virus. As with a polymorphic virus, a metamorphic virus mutates with every infection. The difference is that a metamorphic virus rewrites itself completely at each iteration, increasing the difficulty of the detection. Whereas metamorphic virus may change their behavior as well as its appearance. Okay. Let's see how can a computer be protected from viruses. First is install an anti-malware program to stop software from installing without your knowledge. Never download and install software from the internet unless you are certain it is a trusted source. Do not open email attachments unless you have scanned them first. Even a picture can carry a virus. Do not trust cracked or hacked software as they often contain malware or trojans. Okay. The most suitable way of making your computer virus free is by installing an antivirus software. Such softwares help in removing viruses from the device. It should be kept up to date and should regularly run scans. It can be installed on a computer via two means, that is by online download or buying an antivirus software and installing it. Okay. Now here comes to an end of this video. If you have any doubts, to let me know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.